Good morning, my dear second grade students. So, last class we discussed about drawing in paint. In the drawing in paint, we discussed about curve tool, shapes group, polygon tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, isn't it? So, today we will discuss about the next one, that is the text tool. How we will select the text tool. Where is the text tool? Already we studied, isn't it? Where is the text tool? Yes, A means text tool. Okay, so first you select the A, and if you select the A means in the screen, can you see? Let's draw. So in the place you can write your name or write any letters. Okay, in the place you can write any name or any characters. Character means A to Z. Okay, these are the, or numbers also you can write. Okay, here next you see ma. So what color you need? Oh, so the first color one means, yes, color 2 means background color. Color 1 means, so the writing color, isn't it? So here they have selected which color ma? Tell me ma, which color? Violet color. So if you are writing your name means the letters be in the violet color. That is color 2. Sorry, color 1. So if you want to change the background in yellow color means you have to select color 1, color 2. Color 2 select means the background. If you select color 2 as yellow means the background will change it as yellow, and color 1 and you are writing a B. Okay, so A, B, I will be in the violet color. If you no need violet color means you can click in the blue color or red color means automatically the letters will be in the red color. Okay, this is the text tool. Text tool where is not only for drawing but also you can also write your name also. By selecting which tool ma? Text tool. You can write your name, symbols, etc. by using. If you click the text tool only you can draw, otherwise you can't draw. How will you write? By using the keyboard. Oh, so in the keyboard many keys are there, isn't it? By clicking this you can write your name. Okay, this is the text tool. So from where you will select this text tool? Yes, first you select them. You can also change the styles. Okay, style, font style, type, then colors. Okay, how will you select the styles? Everything last class we studied, isn't it? So you can also change the type, italic or bold, underline, everything also you can write. Okay, this is the, let's draw. Okay, so you know this. First, how do you select text tool? Then from the font group selects, you can say font size and style. Okay, then the next one is select tool. Under the select tool, what are the things are there ma? Under the select tool already we studied how many? Rectangular selection and freeform selection. These two are important under the selection tool. So selection, why you are selecting this? So the selected part only gets changed. If you select anything means the selected part, so only the selected part will change color, the only the selected part only deleted. So the third schema, first you select the rectangular selection. Okay, so the rectangular selection in the book you can see. So select the required option, that is rectangular selection. Okay, so near this crop, resize, rotate, you can see on select. From that you have to click. Then can you see the third picture on arrow picture? There they have selected. This is the rectangular selection. Okay, this is the rectangle. If you click this rectangular and if you select this means, so you can change this picture only. Okay, by using this rectangular selection. You can also delete by using this rectangular selection tool. The next one is magnifier tool. Already you know, is it? Magnifier means zooming. Magnifier means zooming. From where you this all the items will be in the which time? Ribbon time. Ribbon tools. Okay, in the ribbon only these all the items are there. Already we studied what are the things. pencil, eraser, then magnifier, color picker, text, isn't it? Many items, eraser tool, isn't it? Polygon, shapes, group, everything will be in the ribbon only. So listen. So magnifier means zooming. Okay, the mobile also you know. So if you want to zoom means how will you do? By using your fingers you can zoom, isn't it? Here by using this magnifier on stars one this symbol is there. From this you can zoom this picture. Okay, yeah. So this is the magnifier tool. Okay, the magnifier symbol already you know, isn't it? One glass with one handle, isn't it? One small glass with a handle. This is used to see the small objects in a big size. This magnifier tool is used to zoom in any part of the drawing. Okay. The next one is color picker tool. Already you know. So this color picker is used to set the current foreground or background colors. Okay. So how will you set the foreground colors? By using this color picker tool one, isn't it? So how will you change the background color? How will you change the background color? Yes, by using this color 2. Okay, by using this color 2. Okay, so if you want, first you want which color? So you want first green color. So first you draw one rectangle. How will you draw the rectangle? By using shapes, isn't it? If you click the shapes here means can you see on shapes? Click the shapes here means many buttons will come. That is many shapes, ready-made shapes are come. So what are the shapes? Oval, rectangle, square, curve, polygon. Isn't it? These are the shapes group. From this you have to select one shape. Then color picker means so you have to pick one color from another one diagram or picture or from this. Here they have selected color 2 as green color and color 1 as white color. So color 1 white color means the background color is white color and the color 2 is that is inside which is the green color. Okay, so see how many colors are this. Then can you see at the end edit color. So you can also by mixing more colors you can also edit one new colors by using this edit colors. Okay, then here by using the size you can adjust the size thickness. Okay, so what are the things are there here? Already in this lesson we discussed about the drawing in paint. What are things we discussed about the ribbon tools. What are the ribbon tools are there? What is the use of this each tools? Everything how will you everything we learned in this class. Okay, drawing in paint. So the exercise will complete in the next class. Okay, thank you students. So read this lesson 1 or 2 times. Okay, so that only you must be cleared. Okay, so many exercises are there, that is filling the blanks, true or false, choose the correct answer, then match the following. This we will complete in the next class. Okay students, thank you.